Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shachita and hello if you're new here. I'm Shachita. I make videos about beauty, fashion, lifestyle and home decoration. If you like today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if not done already. And in today's video, I'm bringing you what's in my bag updated 2025. This is the kind of video that I do almost every year, and this is also the kind of video that I thoroughly enjoy. It is a very old school style video that we used to do back when YouTube initially started, or back when people had initially started vlogging. And to this day, this is probably the most watched video on my channel. I thoroughly enjoy watching what people carry in their bag, weirdly, but it is something I enjoy consuming, and that's why I thought it would be interesting to film this video and share it with my audience. So in today's video, I'm basically showing you what I like to carry on a daily basis. This is not going to be a work edition. This is going to be running errands or whenever I'm stepping out of my home, if not for work. So that's what you can expect from today's video, and without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the reason I'm actually filming this video today is because I recently switched my bags. The bag that I used to carry to run errands, I've switched it, and that's because my lovely sister-in-law gifted me with this beautiful bag from Charles and Keith. Let me show you that. It's a beautiful handbag. Look at that. Look how stunning that is. I think this is called mocha brown. I could be wrong here, please feel free to correct me, but I love Charles and Keith as a brand because their bags, I feel like the design of their bags is so different from what bags usually do. Like if you see and they're very structured, by the way. Like if you see this part, right, it is built in a way that this gives you flexibility to add more stuff so that the bag expands, and it also gives the bag the flexibility so that it doesn't lose its shape. So you see this part, right? I love this kind of design. And at the back you have one compartment in which I've not kept anything, but you can keep your keys or whatever you want in that compartment. And I don't have my keys right now, but that's also where I would keep my keys whenever I'm going out, whenever I'm heading out. Now it also comes with an additional belt. Now this can be worn as a handbag, but it also comes with an additional belt. Let me show you that. It is this, and you can basically fix that here and turn it into a sling bag of sorts. So I like that addition as well. Do you see this part of the bag? Like the belt of the bag is so stunning. First of all, I really like the color of the bag because it is a very non-traditional color. You would have seen lighter color bags. Let me show you the MK bag that I have. So you see the difference in the color, right? Okay, the reason I'm actually looking here is because I have my viewfinder here so that I can see what I'm showing. But yeah, so let's get started. Firstly, like I said, this is where I would be keeping my keys. I still don't have them because I will collect it once I lock the door. Then this flap is magnetic, so you open it like that, and as you can see, I have a bag full of stuff. This hasn't changed ever since I started filming what's in my bag back in 2017. Nothing has changed ever since. My bag is always full. I always have shoulder pain carrying it. But yeah, let's get started. So the way I like to keep my stuff in my bag, mostly to stay organized, is I like to divide it into compartments. So I have my wallet, I have my phone, which I don't have it here right now because that is what my viewfinder is. Then I have a bag like this, which is basically like a makeup pouch, and then I have random stuff everywhere. Okay, so let's start with my wallet first. This is my wallet, very simple, and this is where I keep all my bank cards, cash, as well as coins or whatever basically ID proofs that I have to carry. That is where it goes. Now let's start with, if you see inside, right? Let me show you. This is how it looks. So you see this, right? There is a chain here in case you want to keep something like change or anything that could get lost over here. I keep in this one, and then you have an additional compartment here. This is also where you can keep stuff. I've kept some random bits. Anyway, yeah, let's dive in. Let's start with random stuff first, and then we can move on to the makeup bag or essential bag that I carry. Okay, so first off, I have my shades here. Let me wear these and show you which ones I'm wearing right now. This is the one that basically suits me. I've tried multiple shades in the past, but this is exactly the shade that suits my face structure. So this is I keep it in this bag. It also has a cleaner for it so that it doesn't get dirty. Okay, so I keep that. Then I have the wallet, like I said. Next I have my AirPods, very very essential whenever I'm heading out. Then for random bits I have some coins. This should ideally be in the wallet, but yeah, it's not. Doesn't always stay how I want it to be. Okay. Then I have some candies. I always have candies on me in case I just feel like eating something. No explanation to it. This is a lip balm, tinted lip balm that my sister gifted me. It's by the brand Diam Beauty. It's a very nice luxurious lip balm that I have. This goes here. Then for some reason I have my SD card in here. Then I also have, for random bits, I've got one stirrer because I like to have my coffee, and then some sticky note. So that's for the random bits that I have right now. Obviously it's not, I have way more things than this, but just because this is a relatively new bag, I'm trying to be more organized. But yeah, now let's move on to the bag, the makeup bag that I have. It's also like an essential bag. So this is, I like to carry everything in just one bag, and that is mainly because whenever a lot of these products I use on a daily basis as well, so I don't want it to be in my bag just randomly spread out. This helps me in staying more organized. I can just pop it out and then use and then put it back. So for my makeup bag, I have lip liner. I have random, what do you call it, blender. Then I've got, let me put it somewhere. Okay. Then I have my lens cover. Then I've got some clips, always come in handy. Then I have, because I struggle with throat infection a lot, I carry Vicks. I always have Vicks in my bag. Then I have a perfume dispenser. What do you call it? Travel size perfume dispenser, whatever it's called. Then I've got a lip balm. Gotta have one lip balm in every bag, every corner of my house. Then I've got a blush. Now I'm somebody who heavily relies on blush and concealer. So these are two important makeup products that I always have in my bag. So one of those, whenever people ask what is it, what are the two non-negotiable makeup items for you, it would be concealer and blush for me. Then I've got a razor in case of emergencies. I need to just like shave somewhere. Another Vicks. Then I've got, wow, I have a lot of stuff here. Then I've got hair ties. But believe me, all of this gets used on a daily basis. Then I've got a concealer. Then what else do I have? I've got these are basically like towels, hand towels, but they expand whenever they get in touch with water. I'm sure you would have seen it in a restaurant or something. Then two very important stuff. I carry my sanitary napkin and some wet tissues in case I need that, and I need that very frequently. So that's everything that I have in the makeup bag, and I think that's about it. And just I just need the keys now. Other than this, I also carry what I don't have right now on me is a stand and pee. Like I've said in multiple videos of mine, it's something that I always carry in case I have to use any public restroom. That's something I always carry. I also like to carry sanitizer, but that doesn't happen very frequently. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys in today's video. I was just heading out. That's why I thought I might as well just show you guys what I like to carry whenever I'm running errands, whenever I'm heading out for anything. And that's all I have for you guys in today's video. I really hope you loved my bag. I do, as much as I do. I love Charles and Keith as a brand. They do such wonderful designs. They are so innovative with their products. And since my sister-in-law was visiting Singapore, so as you know, it's much more cheaper in Singapore than India. So if you're ever heading out to Singapore, I highly recommend buying one of Charles and Keith bags, because it just stands the test of time. It is, my sister has Charles and Keith when she was in Singapore, and she still has it. It has not gone bad, and obviously it comes with a dust bag. Let me show you. So this is the dust bag that it comes with. You can just put it whenever I'm not using my bag. I put it inside this and I keep it. It is very important, especially when you're buying bags, semi luxury or luxury or otherwise also, and you have a dust bag with it. Like I got one of those bags from Myntra that I showed in one of my videos. One of my Myntra videos, you can go and check it out. That also came with a dust bag. So whenever I get dust bags, I typically keep my bags, like to keep my bag in a dust bag, because where I live there's a lot of dust around and you don't want your bag to get dirty like that. And other than that, I also like to carry some leather cleaner. So there are specific products in the market that come for leather bags. You can totally check it out if you want. I can leave my favorite cleaners in the description below, but those are things that I also like to have on me in case I have any stain on my bag or anything. These are the bags that need a little bit of care, because look how stunning that is. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys in this video. I'm gonna head out because I'm running late now, but this is everything that I have in my bag. Other than this, I also carry my charger, but my phone is put on charge right now, so I don't have that on me. And yeah, if you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. If you carry something that you didn't find in my bag, let me know, and maybe that will give me ideas on how I can add more stuff to my bag, and if it is already not filled enough. So yeah, let me know if you have any suggestions for new videos. I'm now brainstorming on what I should be creating. And probably you can leave your ideas in the comment section. If you like the video, don't forget to like the video. If you didn't enjoy it, dislike the video, but let me know how you feel about it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel in case you haven't done already, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye. Until then, take care. Love you.